Welcome back to CNC training video. Today I'll show how to make this simple 2D design for the beginner. So here is a mechanical part. Here hydraulic crank pin. So here dimension is see base plate to bottom, here distance 109 to plus 15 millimeter. So here diameter, bigger diameter 40 millimeter and smaller inside of hydraulic shape here is 25 millimeter. So here is it 4 hole and hole diameter 10 millimeter. Here is radius 13 millimeter. Hole distance 32 millimeter. Okay, let's try to make this. First I choose new interface. Okay, and then I choose here is right plane and sketch. Now I choose here is a corner rectangle. Start from this. Okay, first of all let's dimension here. Here dimension 94 millimeter. Okay, and width depended on the 3-point arc radius. So 3-point arc, and I start from this corner, start to end. Okay, now I delete this portion. Delete it. Now click this corner and make sure this relation is transient relation, and here also transient. Okay, let's define. First click here, need to transient relation. Here is radius 30 millimeter. Okay, now I choose two hole. Now I choose feature, and here is extrude boss option. Here is thickness 52 millimeter and direction, make sure this mid plane option. See here is mesh mid plane. Now need to sketch from this plane. First left key, here is sketch. Okay, and again corner rectangle. Start from outer. See this line to here is 15 millimeter distance. Okay, and this to this here is 10 millimeter. Okay, and here is 32 millimeter. Here is automatically taken because here is 32 and here is 10 millimeter. So here is also 10 millimeter. Okay, now I cut it. First click feature option, extrude cut, and here is through wall. Okay, see. Okay, now I choose two hole. First click left key, and here is also selected sketch, and then I choose two hole. So first one, and first make sure two hole is equal. And give the dimension. Here a hole diameter is 10 millimeter. Okay, and then click the sorry, and here is cursor first top line and click the mouse left key and here is option is mid plane. See, here is mid plane and then control key 1 and 2. Make sure is 3 point is vertical relation and then click this point and hold control key this origin point. Make sure this horizontal. Okay, let's define the distance from two circle center. So here is circle center 32 millimeter. Okay, now I cutted this hole. First click feature, here is extrude cut. See, now I need here is through hole. Okay, it's through hole. Okay. See, our hole is created. Okay. Now I need here is support. First left key here is option sketch. Okay, I need a bigger circle first. Let's define here is a bigger circle diameter 40 mm. Okay, and then click the origin and hold control key this point. Make sure it's vertical relation and then click the vertical line here and select midpoint option. See, here is midpoint and hold control key this point. Make sure it's horizontal. Okay, now I choose freezer and extrude boss face. See, and here distance 25 millimeter. Okay, and again selected this face. Here is sketch and now I choose here is circle and start from this center. Let's define here is a smaller diameter 25 millimeter. Okay, I need to boss extrude boss. So here is length 55 millimeter. Our crank pin is seems to okay. The simplest things is due to simple things. First click this bottom and here is fillet. Fillet is 5 millimeter. Okay, now click this corner shape and here is chamfer. I need is 1 millimeter is good. Okay, see, our crank pin is in. Okay, if you want you can choose your color. So first click here is appearance and here is so many options: plastic, metal, steel, chrome, bronze, lead, iron, magnesium. So many options here. First I choose a lead. Here is lead. Give color on your requirement. Okay, this is better. Okay, after you completed the drawing, if you see here is some dimension, but where you can see first here is option evaluate. First click evaluate and here is option measure. Click measure. Okay, and click your requirement to see measurement. First click here. See, here is diameter 40 mm. Okay, and if you want to distance, first click here to here. Suppose need to distance. See, click this face and this face also. Here is the yellow color is the straight line. Here distance is 55 millimeter. Okay, and here also hole diameter, if you see this 10 millimeter. Okay, everything you can see, just click evaluate, and here is the measure option. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.